What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy One Love. I'm glad to be back. I'm getting used to this whole YouTube, interaction with people online. I'm starting to like it. Today's vlog is kind of different. When I have shows, for those of you who don't know, Google One Love Mahugu. I'm an independent recording artist. At my shows, I take photos with some fans who show up. People in the crowd who watch me perform usually take photos, and a lot of people ask me, hey, how do you keep your teeth so white? Today I'm going to disclose my secret. I think everyone deserves to know. I want you to get rid of all those industrial, chemicalized, teeth whitening products. Throw them in the trash. I'm going to show you an organic, natural way to whiten your teeth. Again, I'm going to show you an organic, natural way to whiten your teeth. Essentially, it's two ingredients. Turmeric powder, and coconut oil. Again, turmeric powder and coconut oil. Turmeric's an herb that's been used for centuries. It's used by a lot of Indian people, the Indian people in Asia, in their foods. It creates that orange, type color. That's turmeric powder that's mixed in with spices. It's got natural healing power. It can heal cuts, wounds, internal bleeding, inflammation, and it can cure cancer. That's how powerful this powder is. So use turmeric powder and some coconut oil. I want to give a demonstration to show you guys exactly how to mix it, the small portions to put, and I want to brush my teeth and show you the after effects of how white, shiny my teeth will be once I'm done using the powder. Once you've gone over a turmeric mixture with coconut oil on your teeth, then use regular toothpaste to finish. Again, once you use the turmeric paste with the coconut oil mixture on your teeth 2 or 3 or 4 times, brushing your teeth thoroughly, then get regular toothpaste and go over your teeth to finish it off. Once you rinse your mouth, you're good to go. Your teeth should be white. Let's go, guys. I'm about to show you my secret. As you can see, I have a bag of turmeric powder here. I actually put turmeric in all my meals that I cook every day. I discovered this healing power years ago, and I use it on a daily basis. And over here I have coconut oil, Crisco Organic. It doesn't matter what kind of oil it is, just make sure it's coconut for this paste to be effective. So coconut oil and turmeric powder. That's all you need to create this teeth whitening turmeric solution. Herbs. Some of that. There we go. Turmeric. Let's add some coconut oil. Let's open the seal real quick. Let's add some coconut oil. Should use a spoon, but whatever. Yeah, this is refined coconut oil, so it's kind of hard. When I mix it, it'll definitely melt into liquid. It's one solution together. Keep mixing it, and it's good to go. The turmeric coconut oil solution might stain your toothbrush, but it will not stain your teeth. Your teeth will not be yellow. Trust me. After you've brushed your teeth with this solution, this turmeric paste, use regular toothpaste once you've brushed it enough with this turmeric mixture. Again, it might stain your toothbrush, but the turmeric mixture will not stain your teeth. Damn! Damn! Well, there you have it, folks. There you have it. Turmeric paste. Turmeric coconut oil. This is a #1 natural mixture to whiten your teeth. It not only whitens your teeth, it cleans your gums, removes plaque, and any kind of cuts in your mouth, it'll help them heal. So there you go, folks. That's my secret to white, naturally healthy teeth. Throw all the manufactured whitening products in the trash. All that shit will give you is cancer and disease. Peace.